iTERMINALS 4.0 project is an initiative co-funded by the European Commission through the Connecting Europe Facility Program. Its objectives are to advance towards the standardization of processes and the application of Industry 4.0 technologies in port container terminals. Maintenance is a key business area of port container terminals, which are highly dependent on equipment availability. Digitalization can provide significant benefits for the improvement of the preventive and predictive maintenance. It can extend the operational lifetime of port equipment and machinery and reduce maintenance costs. Thanks to TIC 4.0 and IoT technologies, different sensors, parts, or failure codes can be continuously monitored, helping to replace wearing parts before they are degraded and prevent unscheduled downtime. Digitalization of maintenance processes will help increase port equipment reliability and equipment lifetime, as well as reduce general maintenance costs. 2 maintenance pilots have been performed in iTERMINALS 4.0 project: Smart Tire and Predictive Oil Maintenance. When running a vehicle, the maintenance of truck tires is one of the highest costs in operations. Their proper maintenance not only extends tires' life, but also ensures operational safety in the terminal. The tire pressure monitoring system allows the real-time monitoring of key indicators to know the tire's status in real time, thus allowing to perform any kind of preventive and predictive maintenance at the right moment. Trucks' oil maintenance can also be costly, depending on the time replacement. The real-time oil monitoring supports maintenance when required. This action will prevent extra wear and potential drastic reduction in components and truck system lifetime. iTERMINALS 4.0 has developed a new approach to improve operational maintenance through standard digital exchange of data, which will allow port operators to detect and manage in advance equipment incidences, thus improving the overall efficiency of port terminals and also enhancing equipment performance and their lifetime.